Hi guys, welcome back to Jazz Funhouse. Today I have a surprise visitor. Here's my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna read Pete the Cat and the Case. Wait, I'm sorry guys. Pete the Kitten. Kitty. And the Case of the Hiccups. So, I have another book like this, but instead it's a doctor one. Okay, let's see. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccups! Yeah, hiccups are bad. The more you do them, the more it hurts. Hiccup! Hiccup! Can you help me sound this word out?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Mm-hmm.
Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you
Sound it out again.
Okay.
S-T.
S-T, so st, stop.
Mm-hmm.
Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? I had a lot of hiccups in my past. Donna Cologne, if you ever had some. Or frog. Oh, I forgot to show you the other page. Let me show you. Pete ask Toad.
Can you sound out that word?
Sure.
G and R together.
G and R makes girl.
U and M together makes.
So girl.
U and M together makes what sound?
U and M makes so mp.
And then Y.
So U.
E.
Is so
Grumpy.
Grumpy Toad.
Mm-hmm.
Grumpy Toad. Pete asked Grumpy Toad how do I stop my hiccups? I know. Like, not the no, like, I don't know. It's the other no.
No, it is like I don't know.
Oh, it's not no. It's not no.
It's not N-O.
No, it's not no.
Go ahead.
I know. Says Grumpy Toad. You and stand on one foot. Stand on one foot? That is not even close to your mouth. That won't help you. See?
That won't help?
No.
All right. So what happens?
Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. hiccups. Let me sound her name out before I tell you guys.
Callie.
Callie. Pete asked
Mm-hmm.
Callie, how do you stop my hiccups?
Mm-hmm.
I know, said Callie.
Says
Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Picture. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups.
mm-hmm.
I know a way to get rid of my hiccups. If you know another way to get rid of your hiccups, download in the comments. Us. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop on. Oh, I'm sorry. And hop up and down. And sing a song.
Good job.
This is a really easy book to read. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Those hiccups are not going away. Pete asked Bob, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Mommy, you should get more of these books. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and run
No.
Rub your belly, says Bob.
Can you read that whole paragraph for me again?
What's a paragraph?
It's the list of sentences that's on this page. Can you read it for me again?
Sure. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your tummy. Belly, says Bob.
Mm-hmm.
Pete ha ah d o d o do
Does.
does. Oh, sorry. Pete does it. Hiccup.
That's a long word. Can you break it down?
Sure. Let's break it down.
Do it in the syllables so you could put the word together, please.
Not.
No. Do N and O.
Oh, so. No.
No.
N. I. No. N. N. In. Nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Hiccup. Nothing is working.
Mm-hmm.
Pete said Pete still has the hiccups.
Mm-hmm.
Go ask Mom, says Bob. I think Bob's his uncle.
You think so?
We could have to see it. Pete asks Mom, how do you Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a breath.
What is this word?
D, deep breath. Pete,
Mm-hmm.
take a deep breath. Oh, you forgot to show the picture, Mom. Isn't it cool when you get the hiccups?
Is it?
Not for me, it hurts. Hold
Mm-hmm.
your breath and breathe.
No. O-O-W makes what sound? Say it again. O.
Oh, so
B and L, two vowels.
B and
two consonants. What sound does B and L make?
B. So B, O, blow
Mm-hmm.
it out,
Mm-hmm.
says Mom. Pete blows.
No.
Breathes.
It's a H. Can you sound it out?
So hold
Mm-hmm.
his breath.
Oh.
Isn't it funny when he does this? Is it funny?
Go ahead.
I didn't do that.
Oh, sorry.
Pete blows his breath out. That's it.
That's a question mark. So what does that mean? It means Pete's doing what? Because it's a question mark. How should it sound?
That was it, Pete. Ask. That was it, Pete.
No, that's
it, Pete, says Mom.
No. Can you sound it out, please?
Pete waits
Mm-hmm.
and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart.
A and R makes what sound? R.
So that means smart.
Can you read this sentence for me again, please?
Okay. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart.
All right. That's it.
Show the picture.
All right. So I have a few questions for you.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the main character of the book?
It's the little Pete.
It's Pete. And what was wrong with Pete?
He had the hiccups.
And what's the whole theme of the book? What was happening in the book when he had the hiccups?
Everyone was telling him almost the same thing what to do.
To do what?
To get rid of his hiccups.
Okay.
Like, example, at the book.
At the start of the book?
After that page, he said stand on one foot.
Uh-huh.
But when he asked another person, guess what they said? They said stand on one foot and hop up and down. See, if there was no hop, then it'd be just stand on one foot. So it's like almost the same thing that they said.
Okay. So did everybody help him get rid of the hiccups? With all those different ways? Did it work?
No.
No? So who helped him to get rid of the hiccups?
His mom.
And what was the way to get rid of the hiccups?
Take a deep breath. Blow it out. And just take a deep breath and blow it out.
All right. Do you like the book?
Yeah.
Do you recommend it for all your subscribers?
Yeah. Well, Mom, I want you to show it. If you want to see another Kitty Pete book, you're going to have to watch another channel. Bye, guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.